This is a review of circles. We go back to beginning of the semester, good old F3, F4 I guess it was. And remember, the standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. This is in standard form, where hk, that's the center, and r, which is the square root of r squared, is the radius. So here, this is really x minus 0 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 1. So 0 and 1 is going to be my center. My radius is the square root of 1, or 1. So from 0, x equals 0, y equal 1, I'm going to go up 1, down 1, right 1, left 1, and then best I can, draw a circle. Now in this instance, this is in standard form, so this is negative 1, this is 1, and that's r squared. So the center is x equal negative 1, y equal positive 1. The radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. So from negative 1, 1, I'll go up 1, 2, 3. I will go left 1, 2, 3. Go down 1, 2, 3. Go right 1, 2, 3. And then we connect the dots. I'm just going to put these 2 pages on one video. Now, if you remember, this is going to be dealing with completing the square. So this is in general form. We want to turn it into standard form. So the first thing we do is we group our x's together, group the y's together, and kick the constant to the other side. So leading coefficient is 1 on x squared and y squared. I don't have to do anything with that. So I'm going to, on the x, take negative 6 over 2, b over 2. So remember, the formula is b over 2 squared, which is negative 3 squared, or 9. So that, what do? I add 9 to both sides. And then for the y, take b, 2 over 2 squared, which is 1. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So this becomes x minus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. I got too many parentheses in here. I don't want that to look like an 11. Oh, this should be a minus 9. So then that just becomes a 1. That looks better. So that means 3, negative 1, so that's my center. And remember, that's r squared. So r is the square root of 1, which is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 1. And then from there, I go up 1, down 1, right 1, left 1, and a little bitty baby circle. Now, in this instance, there's a 2 in the front. That's, by the way, that's how we know it's a circle, because the coefficients of x squared and y squared are the same. In this case, they're both 1. And in this case, they're both 2, so they're the same. And you have an x squared plus a y squared. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide everybody by 2 to get rid of the coefficient of x squared and y squared. So I get x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Now group my x's together. X squared plus 4x plus the only things that I have a y, just a y squared, equals, move 5 to the other side, 5. Complete the square on the x's. That's b over 2 squared, which is 4 over 2 squared, which is 2 squared over 4. So I add 4 to both sides. So this becomes x plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 9. Or x plus 2 squared plus, this is y minus 0 squared equals 9. Negative 2 and 0, and remember that's r squared. So negative 2, 0 is my center. And then r squared is the square, r is the square root of 9, which is 3, with a radius of 3. So from a negative 2, 0, I go up 1, 2, 3, down, and then make sure I got a nice dot there. Down 1, 2, 3, right 1, 2, 3, left 1, 2, 3, and he's a nice big circle. So that's our review of circles.